guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lagang Mama and beside me is my daughter
Golden Tag.
Yes guys, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Lagang Mama, and also with my daughter's channel, a gaming channel called Golden Tag. So click. So I have good news for you guys. We received our second brand sponsorship from a gaming company in China, and they gave us for free a mechanical keyboard that we have to review and unbox. So watch out guys! So this is the keyboard guys, and we are so excited to open it. Are you excited, Golda Tech?
Yes, I'm excited.
Yeah, and she's going to do the review guys. It's called a Tmkb mechanical keyboard and we are very excited guys. So are you excited? Let's all wait and see.
So we are going to be unboxing the Tmkb mechanical keyboard. I'm very excited because I really love mechanical keyboards, and I'm so excited to open it. So let's open it. I see many bubble. Look at this.
Wow,
The box looks very beautiful, and it has a lot of bubble wrap for protection. How many layers is this? Look at the box, it's so nice.
Wow.
So I opened it and the box is very thick, so you can assure that when they ship it, the keyboard won't be broken. And I remember this keyboard is Bluetooth, so it's way better, because my keyboard, they have like the wires, so like the wires get everywhere in my table. And we have the website here.
Tmkb.com.
So this is the box of the keyboard. It is very good. It is very nice. It has lots of colors. So let's unbox it. Beautiful.
Oh my god. It looks so nice. Wow. What can you say?
It is beautiful. I like the color. So it is very small. I don't know if my old keyboard is smaller, but it looks so cute. So let me get it out. Wow! Look at how thick it is.
Wow, it's very nice.
And we have the manuals here.
Warranty card.
Then we have the warranty card. Okay.
Ito bang ganito?
Have them both. So it's a very nice keyboard.
Oh.
So we already unboxed it, and now I'm looking for the wire, and I shake the box, and I just noticed that there was this here.
There it is.
So we have some switches to replace, and this is the thing to get the key out. Have two, thankfully. And I don't know what this is.
The wire.
This is the
With
wire.
the port.
It's very nice. Oh, We have the new Tmkb Gk61 60% keyboard. Hat switch mechanical keyboard, gaming keyboard, dual mode, RGB backlit, ultra compact, mini compact, 62 key keyboard with full key programmable with Gateron optical block switch. We have the keyboard right here and here in the screen. One feature I like about this keyboard is you could change the lighting. Just click FN and slash. This, the rainbow one. And it has a Bluetooth mode, which you just go to the back of it. And you have an on and off switch there. And we have a rubber stand. And we will open it to make you, if you're gaming, your keyboard doesn't like go like do that. So it's pretty good, and you can change the color, and it's not that loud of a keyboard. It's not that loud. And one thing I like about this keyboard is I like loud and not loud keyboards. One thing I like about this keyboard, it is super thick. So they have a lot of things inside here. That's why it's not gonna break easily.
So we put the keyboard in a night mode to see how these customizable RGB backlights will function. And as you can see, it gives some colors. And it has 8 different colors, rainbow colors. And this gives up a very beautiful, colorful backlights. And this new keyboard Tmkb Gk61 60% mechanical keyboard starts selling at $40, and we will put the link in the description below, so you will know how to order and where to order on their Amazon site and their Instagram site.
We have the Tmkb Gk61 keyboard here. So if you want to change the keycaps, guys, and this is the keycaps. If you want to change the keycaps, you could just buy it or buy it from their store, but they do have some free keycap removers. This one and this one. So we can remove our keycaps by using these. So I do not have my wire on, I only have the Bluetooth mode on. So let's remove the keycaps. Okay, so I turned the light off so that y'all couldn't really see. So you just like put it under the key. So you just put it under the key and you can get it. So like it's pretty hard to, because like I'm only using one hand. Then you pull it. Just don't pull it that hard. It's pretty hard too because I only have one hand on. So that did not fall. But this is what's inside. We have some red keys. And they have the key right here, so you could just put it back. But if you do want another keycap, you can buy it in any shop or their shop. So you could just put it back by simply just putting it back there again. And yeah, and you could change this too. But is from what I know, I haven't really changed these parts yet. From what I know, I think you need to like take off this white thing here to change this. So I'm not really sure, but that's what I know. The keyboard is pretty good. It's not that loud because mostly the if you're in online class and you have a mechanical keyboard, most mechanical keyboards are loud, but this one is not that loud. It's just the sound is very satisfying. one of the reasons that I like this keyboard is because you could change the light a lot of times. So let's just go to our back. And we have this here. It's it's like open and close, on and off. Then we have this. It lights up. Then you just click F and then slash. It changes. So we're gonna click F and there. There, it has a lot of colors. You could keep clicking it to see other things. This is one of my favorites. And you can change all of these keycaps, you can. So, me personally, I'm probably just gonna change some of these keys. But not all of them. I'm just gonna change some of them. So, some people do ask, like, if it's okay if you, like, take it off while it has color. I am really not sure, but we're gonna try that. I wanna see what it looks like. Now this is so hard because I only have one hand again. So, I'll just try to get this out. And this is what it looks like. It has like the light in the back. So we're gonna put it back because I need it to be back. Then you can, if you want to pick, you could use Bluetooth mode, but you cannot use it for 20 hours. Most of the time you could, I could say you could just use it for 8 hours so that the battery lasts long. But, I mean, you could just use the wire, and I have my wire there. It's pretty nice, guys. So if you do like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my mom's channel, Agang Mama. Bye!